Subbies, I'm here to share with you some wonderful relaxation tips, tricks, and techniques. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Soaking in a warm bath with lavender bubble bath is a wonderful way to relax and calm yourself because lavender is very calming. I love doing this, and I've taken lavender bubble baths 2 to 3 times a week because they are so relaxing and calming. I love them. Make sure you try it out. I've also placed cucumber slices over my eyes, which is a very calming, relaxing, cooling sensation, which I love doing because it is such a calming effect when the day can be very unpredictable and stressful. This just melts your stress away. I've also listened to spa style music or calming music, and that's been very wonderful at helping me relax and center my mood and my well-being, because spa music is amazing at relaxing you because it is a very calming music. It doesn't have anything that's extremely high energy or very active, which is very nice when you're trying to relax and unwind. Spa music and calming music come through every time. Reading a book can be very calming and relaxing because people need more time to unwind, and what better way to do that when you have a wonderful book that you've been looking forward to reading? Now's the perfect time to get into the amazing book. Yoga and meditation to relax your mind and body are a wonderful way to relax and calm yourself, because when you can center your mind and body, it is amazing the effect it has for improving your whole day, and your whole outlook becomes absolutely the best things you could ever imagine. Spraying your pillow with lavender scents to promote calmness and relaxation before going to sleep is a wonderful way to ensure that you have pleasant, sweet, calming dreams. I love doing this at night so I can enjoy the wonderful lavender scent, and it just puts my mind at ease, and I've had a lot of wonderful, restful nights because of using the lavender scent on my pillow. I've also given myself a manicure and a pedicure. I've just simply soaked my feet in the warm water of the tub. I've dried them off. I've then used a callus remover on my feet there because sometimes you can get some really rough calluses on your feet, and when you remove those, that is also a wonderful way to relax so your feet aren't causing you any discomfort or pain. And then I'll put some very nice cocoa butter lotion on them before putting on fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. Those are a wonderful way to relax and calm yourself because fuzzy socks are fantastic, and I've even found a lot of them at my local Walmart. I love them. I hope these wonderful tips and tricks will help you out when you're looking for new ways to relax and unwind. Comment down below what your favorite methods are for relaxing, because I can always use more tips and tricks when it comes to renewing the wonderful rejuvenating feeling you get from relaxation. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my awesome upcoming videos. And check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my MacBook Air. I love it because I can use the wonderful webcam to film my YouTube videos, but also edit using the incredible, wonderful, free software iMovie that allows you to create some extremely professional, wonderfully edited videos with a fantastic free program. But I can also enjoy some wonderful gaming because I love playing The Sims 4, and it runs so smoothly on my MacBook Air. I couldn't ask for a better computer that can handle both things, video editing and gaming. unheard of. I also really enjoy reading on my Amazon tablet because it is such an amazing experience when you can download all of your audiobooks and ebooks, so then when you're not connected to Wi-Fi you can still enjoy the wonderful ebooks and audiobooks wherever you are, especially if you're on a flight. This makes it such an easy thing to be able to enjoy so many amazing books without feeling like you need to have the strength of Hercules to be able to carry all the physical books everywhere. And I really love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It is affordable, it is super simple to set up to get that perfect angle for vlogging, and it even comes with an adorable carrying case to make it even more amazing for vloggers on the go, which I love that. All of these will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you check them out. Can't wait to see you in my next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.